subscribe!
I'm so pretty. Ooh, what's this? Okay. Ew. Attention! And now… Oh, what a beauty! Here's an idea. Draw a butterfly. Super! I'll start. Huh? Here. Is that a worm? Rude. This might come in handy. Ooh. And this too. Start with one color and shift to darker ones. Now make a print. And a smaller one. Add a bit of detail. And done! Super! Wow! Mine has no color at all! Oh, what's this? That's an idea! Glitter pens are just what I need. This color should do. Start from the center and work to the wings. The more colors, the better! Cool! And that's it! Done! Wow! Beautiful! Ooh, can't choose. You both win! Yay! Awesome! So, now let's make something using money. What? I need to check my pockets. Oh, only got a candy. Good thing I brought my purse. Oh. Wanna buy a candy? Okay, just a sec. Huh? Here. So cheap. Thank you. How can I use this? Oh, I know. Place a paper on top and shade with a pencil like this. Perfect! Teacher, I'm done! What's this? I can't see. Wait. Ah, not bad. What should I think of? Let me see. Oh no! I messed up everything! Though, this might work. First, tape the edges. And paint it all black. And now let's create a new universe on top. Add some stars. And decorate with glitter. Done! This masterpiece is called Money Cosmos. Wow! So deep. That's amazing! You definitely won! Yes! I'm the best! He's just stunning. Oh, sorry. Your next task is to make a rainbow heart. Okay. Aw, let's get started. Hand me a tissue, quick! Oh, here! Achoo! Thanks. Okay. Hand me another one! False alarm. But this'll still come in handy. First, let's grind this up. And place it here. Add some paint. And mix it up. Now let's start transferring it to paper. Color by color. Just like this. Done! Look how 3D it turned out! Wow! But I can do better! No, this won't do. Assistant! Wow! Wow! Perfect! Just what I needed. Start sprinkling from the edge, like this. Now move to other colors. Such cool colors! Awesome! All done! Look, teacher! Oh, cool! Wow! Yes, you won! Yay! Hey! What did you do? Sorry. Hilarious!
What?
Nothing.
Oops. What you got there?
Just a little craft.
Oh, how cute! Let's see what's inside. Wow! What's this?
It's you!
You think this is funny? Wow!
What's going on?
Ah! Where are we?
Who do we have here?
Is that me? What the heck?
No, it's me! Oh my. Hello! Ready for a drawing challenge? This should be easy.
We'll see.
Let's start with a kitty.
Yes, love it.
Let's see how you do without your glasses.
Hey! Ooh, I don't care. I can still do it. Okay.
What a mess. So what should I draw? Oh, I know. I'll make cartoonish kitties. Happy ones. And a sad one, too. And this one will be very happy, like this. Let's add a couple of hearts. Spice them up. And done!
What? No, that's not right. Here's how it's done. Really cute, huh?
Huh?
What?
Look at your drawing!
Huh. Oh no! What happened?
Nice try. You win. Wow! Yes!
What trash! Darn!
That was funny! Here's the next challenge.
Oh, interesting.
Let's try. Oh, no! This is all wrong. I'll start over.
Waste of time.
Oh, it's not working!
Think.
Oh, his mustache has a really interesting shape. I know. May I ask you?
Hey!
I need a mustache print. Got it!
Huh.
Now just need to add this bit here. Then the bottom part. And done!
Oh.
Psst. Here's a hint.
Okay, let's count. Done. Here.
Flip it.
Ah, I see. Turn this way. And add this. Now draw these tails. My birds will look like peacocks. Now to the top part. Finish the heads. And add feet like this. Now color in different shades and done. Watch and learn.
We'll see. There's the winner. Bravo!
Wow! Yes!
Draw a rabbit or a wolf. Your choice.
I'll draw a wolf. But a unique one.
Oh my.
This'll come in handy. Oh yes! Now let's add some lights like this.
I think I know how to draw a rabbit. Trace around the fingers like this. And finish the rest. All set! Cutie!
Achoo!
No!
Oh, oops. Sorry.
Oh, it's back. What happened to my drawing? Oh. Ew.
Here. Now I'm ready to draw. Light.
Huh?
This marker should do exactly the effect I wanted. It glows. All done.
Let me see. Amazing! Another point for you!
Woohoo!
Attention! Next drawing is a fish.
Nice.
Oh, let's put the water like this. Now cast a line. And wait.
Weird.
It's biting!
Huh?
I caught a fish! Awesome! Now trace around it like this.
No way. I gotta try too. Are those scissors? Still useful. The shape of these scissors works great. Oh yes. Finish all the other details, like this. And add colors to our fish. Perfect! Now color the lower part. And done! See?
So, my fish is better. Let's see. I like this drawing more.
Yes! Awesome!
Now draw a car.
Okay. Let's try.
What should I use as a base? Oh, perfect! Super!
She can't do that.
I'll use eyeshadow. Take the brush and apply it like this. Add a bit more. Yes. Now take the paper and press firmly. Carefully remove. And done! Hey, look!
Huh? How did you do that?
Oh, the drawing smudges! Aww!
Haha.
No worries. Glosser will fix it. Just spray some on top like this. That'll do. Now let it dry. And done! Now it doesn't smudge. Super! So, what do you think now?
It's nothing compared to this masterpiece.
Not really.
What? Darn. What to do? Oh, got an idea. This sign might come in handy. Phew. I'm ready.
Whatever. Not bad. Huh?
Like it? I made it myself. Give me that! Thief!
Oopsie. You win. Yay! I'm the best! Can you draw houses? Sure.
What a beautiful view. Oh, there's a house. I'll copy it. There. Now here.
Terrible.
Oh, yes. Huh? What the heck? Oh. Okay, I'd better grab a snack.
Well then, let's start. First the roofs, then add some paint like this. The more colors the better. Now take a ruler and smudge it this way. Refine the outlines. And add details. Perfect! I'm ready!
What? Oh, I must do the same. Carefully, like this. Now finish the house with a chimney. All done.
I choose this one. Yay! In your face! It's a tie. Let's decide together. Mandy or Cody? Comment below who won. Bye!